Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel, Trading Nifty in Rules and Setup. Friends, what I had said the earlier day, I had taken out two levels based on the mathematical calculation, that is 17,741 and 17,897. Friends, you will be quite surprised to see that after opening at 17,770, the market touched 17,744 and from there it went up. Now, since the opening was more than 100 points gap up, my second rule of trading in gap up kicked in. And that rule says that I can take a call only if after 10:30, the high of 10:30 is broken. But friends, there was one more level of 17,897, which was again a hurdle for me. So I clearly mentioned in my Telegram channel that I would not be taking a trade because the second resistance point is too close. So it doesn't make sense to take any trade. Now, when it crossed 17,897, I had mentioned that if it crosses here, it may go and touch 17,962. But since the market is so high, therefore the possibility of it going further high is much lower. However, friends, I had taken a call here. I kept a very small quantity, but then as I saw the market moving zigzag, I converted that into a straddle. And as I always promised you, that will show my PNL. My PNL stands like this. So I have a profit of only 4,530, but that's okay. And that's the way I have done it. Now, friends, what happened today? I'll just show you one more thing which I had drawn, but I have deleted, and that is it has taken a support. I'll show you this line support here. So, friends, what actually the market did is it went from here. Second brush. It went from here, came here, went again, came here. So friends, what has happened is it has taken the small, the minor, and the major support. And what can happen going forward? For that, I'll delete this line. I'll keep this line. I'll keep this line, and I will delete this line. Move it here. Keep the 79.16. So this is okay. Now, I'll also delete this line. It's not required. And now, in addition to understand the market, friends, I'll take you to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, what you see is, I'll draw this a little bit higher so that you can see it. On the weekly chart, friends, if you see, market is forming a perfect W pattern. And this W pattern would be confirmed if the market crosses 17,833. If it crosses 17,833, the W pattern will be confirmed, which means that it is going to go higher up. Number one. Number two, the market has a resistance, had a support and resistance at all these levels. If you see the high of this particular candle, I'll increase it further. High of this particular candle, high of this close one. So multiple times it has taken some support here. The market has closed exactly at the support level of 17,800. Okay. 17,791 to be more specific, but I'll consider that as 17,800. So friends, how to trade tomorrow? That's very important for me. Now, friends, if the market opens gap down, then I will have to wait for it to touch this long-term trend line. And this long-term trend line, I've explained to you on a daily chart. I'll again explain this to you. So this is the long-term trend line. Okay. Just keep this drawn on your sheet. So if the market opens gap down, I'll have to wait for it to come and touch this long-term trend line. And at this trend line, which is somewhere around 17,500, I shall take a call. Now, when the market is at 17,800, for it to come down up to here, I don't think it's a possibility. But market is supreme. Second, friends, if it opens flat, which is a good scenario for me, and starts going up, that means it has taken support from the major point and it is now ready to go up and also ready to form the W pattern. So at the moment the market crosses 17,833, and I'll repeat that, moment the market crosses 17,830 to 17,833. The moment it crosses 17,833, I shall sit on a call. My first target will be 17,920, and it can also go up to 17,962. This is my favored and favorite trade. And when I take this but call at this level, then this trend line that I've drawn here, this trend line would be my support levels. Okay. I will not be much interested on the downside tomorrow. Therefore, I'm not giving you some levels on the downside. I will not be trading on the downside tomorrow because the risk reward does not match. I have to keep a long SL and the reward is also the same. But on the upside, if it goes, I'll definitely have a big upside. Friends, one more thing. All of you must be thinking that the market went up and has come down. So as a retailer, what we'll do is that we're going to buy puts. Most of the people would have bought put here, but the smart money, I can tell you based on my experience that today we shall see a closure of the longs. Today, this is yesterday's data, but today we shall see a closure of longs. We shall see an increase by the pros, the closure of the call writing, and an increase by the pros of the put writing. And I'm expecting the clients to also reduce their put writing. Let's see what the data comes. Okay. So that's my view, friends. Summarization of the views. Keep this trend line drawn. On the downside, I'm not much interested because the SL will be high and my reward the SL and the reward will be the same. So I'm not much interested on the downside. But if you find the market in and around this trend line 17,500, I'm going to take a call. That's a safe bet. I'm more interested on the upside. So if it takes the support from here, if it opens gap up at and above 17,833, I'm going to take a call and wait till 17,962. That's all from my side, friends. If you like my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Sayonara. Cheers and bye-bye.